5 key elements to the law of assumption. Hey, Haug here, and in today's video, we're going to be going through some key elements to utilizing the law of assumption in a greater way than ever before to manifest what you really want into your life. Just before I jump in the video, make sure you throw a like on the video and also subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. If you're interested in really getting into a manifestation course that will help you predictably and consistently bring in the greatest results you've ever imagined, go ahead into the description below and get some more information about our Manifestation Accelerator course. And if you're also looking to teach and coach this information, you can become one of our certified manifestation coaches, bringing this information out to the world, living your purpose, aligning with your dreams, and ultimately creating a lot of time, money, and mental freedom for yourself and your family. All right, let's get into these 5 key elements as we move forward. Number 1 is acceptance. That is the first key element to the law of assumption. Now, I'm going to read you the definition of assumption. Okay, this is just right on Google. Okay, a thing that is accepted as true or as certain to happen without proof. So when you're utilizing the law of assumption, you want to realize, I want to actually be in the desire of what I want, whether it's manifesting a chunk of money, manifesting something into my life, a desire, a dream home, whatever it is. I need to be totally certain about it, which is I need to assume that it's already in my life. Okay. So as we're talking about here, element number 1 is acceptance. I need to accept this desire as if it's already done deal in my life. I need to accept it right now. Now, how do you do that when physical reality is not real, right? Physical reality is not actually the real result of what you want, okay? So for example, I got brown bookshelves here. What if in my mind I really wanted to manifest black bookshelves, right? Now, if I'm telling myself, I now manifested a black bookshelf and I open up my eyes and I see brown, I'm seeing the opposite result. So I'm going to reject the idea. No, that's not even true. I don't even have a black bookshelf, though I want one. A dumb example, right? But you see what I'm getting at here is same thing goes with money. If I wanted $20,000 in my checking account, but only $3,000 is there, right? And I'm starting to see in my checking account $20,000, open up my eyes, I'm gonna be like, that's ridiculous, it's BS. It's not even true. My mind wants to reject the idea because it's showing me evidence in the physical world that's not true, right? So number 1 is acceptance. You want to start accepting the idea. Now, how do you do that? We understand that anything that you desire is a spiritual truth, a future truth, but a physical lie. It's a physical lie of what you want. Okay, this is physical truth around me. This is the way things are, but it's a physical lie about what is coming into my life. Okay, so it's a spiritual truth. Your idea, your affirmation, your visualization, your gratitude, it's all a spiritual truth. It's true in the energetic sense. It's already done, but a physical lie. It's a becoming physical truth. And just by knowing that will help you to accept the idea a lot better. Number 2 is invisible vibrational universe. Invisible vibrational universe, element number 2. Okay, you want to understand with the law of assumption, how does that actually work? It means all around us right now is vibration. We're living in a vibrational world. I'm a vibrational being, so are you. So we're starting to understand that if I live in a vibrational world and I'm a vibrational being, I can link up and use my mind to actually get into the vibration of what I want and allow that to move forward. Okay, so element number 2 is really understanding what world I live in, what world you live in, what world do we all live in? A vibrational world. I'm a vibrational being, and I can actually manifest through the proper use of my mind, allowing things to come forth. Hopefully that makes sense there. Number 3 element is faith and belief. In the law of assumption, you need to actually believe. You need to believe in a result. You need to have the faith that is coming into fruition. So the law of assumption, what I'm doing is assuming something that's not physically true. So I need to have the faith. Remember the definition we said about an assumption? A thing that is accepted as true or as certain to happen without proof. You don't have any proof that this thing is going to happen, but you have the faith it's going to happen because you understand the laws of the universe, you understand manifesting, you understand the law of attraction, you understand energy in some sort of way, All right, you understand it, therefore I can have faith that this thing is going to happen. I can have faith knowing that these things are going to move into fruition. So you want to constantly increase your faith, constantly increase your belief, and that will allow the law of assumption to work more properly for your desires than the things that you don't desire. Okay. Element number 4 is no searching. Don't search. Okay. So when I'm using the law of assumption, I'm assuming things to be true in my life before they've happened. I'm assuming things to actually be solidified in my life before they've come to pass. But if my mind is searching for evidence, showing me that, like, I need something to show me that this is actually true, that things are working out, things are moving forward, all this good stuff. If I'm constantly there trying to look for evidence and searching for where it's going to come from, I'm going to be in the absence, and I'm going to assume it's not here. I'm going to literally assume, law of assumption, I'm going to assume that the thing I want is not going to come, it's not here, it's nowhere in sight, it's not coming. You see what I'm doing there? So you don't want to search for it. You don't want to look around for it. Instead, continue with your faith and belief. Element number 5 is feeling. That is the key to all manifesting. Okay. So law of assumption, what it does is you're going to assume the thing that you want is already here, and you need to feel it as if it's already here. So I need to feel the excitement. If I would feel excitement when it came, I need to feel good. I need to feel better and better about myself and my world, all these different things lining up, okay? So you need to feel as if it's here and done. What that's going to allow you to do is, once you start feeling it to be true now, you're going to start convincing your mind that's a spiritual truth, that it's a becoming thing into your life, and allowing yourself to actually experience that feeling before it actually happens. So choose a feeling that you would have as if this thing came into your life. Focus on that feeling. Align with that feeling. I have many different videos explaining how to feel things. So just go to the videos playlist on techniques on feeling and methods on manifesting. I teach you how to feel into your desires before they've come into pass, but feel into what you want. That's the vibration of what you want. All right. These 5 key elements are super, super important. And if this was a helpful video for you, just put a number 10 into the comment box below, the chat box there, the comments. Go ahead and put a number 10 if this was helpful for you. And we're going to be making more videos like this. I'll do another 5 elements of any of the laws of the universe that will really help you understand and study them better, and ultimately utilize them for greater results. So let me know in the comments below. We'll be able to create more videos like this one, allowing you to really get all the key elements to manifesting, all the key elements to living your greatest life, your happiest life, all of that good stuff. All right. Scott Haug signing off here. I'll see you over in the next video.